Okay, the device in front of me is Digital's setup box, and you can see that for powering on the device you must click this power button. See that the TV has been turned on now. Now for decreasing the volume you must press this switch. So you can simply decrease the volume by clicking this. You can see that the volume have been decreasing, and for increasing you can simply press this plus switch. Then you can see that the volume have been increasing. So for decreasing you must press this minus button. And if you want to change the channel, go to next channel, you must click this button. You can see that the channel have been changing here. So for changing the channel you must click this button, and for going back to the previous channels you must press this button. So this is the method. Now this one is the menu. So suppose if you want to select the menu, you must click this one, and you can see that the menu section have been opened. And suppose if you want to go to the parental control time, or you want to move, you must click this channel down button. Now you can see that it is changing here. So if you press this channel down button, it is changing to various settings. And if you want to move it up, you must press this channel up button after pressing the menu. Suppose if you want to take the games, then you must click this after pressing the menu button you must click the channel down buttons many times like this, and after that you must click this select button. Now you can see that the games have been appeared, and you can see that the USB port is this one of this video. See for more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.